I'm here to talk about our app. It gives you unlimited streaming of all our videos, and we make sure there are no ads, no funny links, and no suggested videos. Head to app.cosmickids.com. Pick a monthly or an annual subscription, and then you get a 2-week free trial to see if you like it. Yoga Club. It's time for Yoga Club. Namaste and welcome to this week's video all about helping you sleep. When you sleep well, you learn more. When you're awake, you feel good and you have energy to do more stuff with your time. So use this week's Yoga Club to really boost your sleep powers, as it'll help you in more ways than you can think of. Before we start though, let's take a moment for a few of your brilliant messages. Hello to Gabriel and Xavier, who are in Michigan in the USA. Gabriel is 10 and Xavier is 9. Gabriel loves the Star Wars yoga and the Superhero Kids Yoga in Space series, which is awesome. That's on the Cosmic Kids app, where we meet all our favourite superheroes and we try out their superpowers using our yoga. It's very, very cool. Gabriel would like to see a Clone Wars pilot episode, which would be great. And Xavier is keen to see a Percy Jackson yoga, which is a fab idea. Thanks for the suggestions and for saying hello on Yoga Club. Hello to Amelia Madison, who is 6 and lives in Montclair, New Jersey. Amelia loves Trolls, Moana, Frozen, the Zen Dance and all the yoga clubs. Amelia would like to suggest more movies with strong female characters, as Amelia is a strong girl herself. So Raya and Mulan are on her list, as well as The Lion King. Amelia is hoping to become a doctor one day, which is great to hear. I am sure you will make that happen, Amelia. Thank you for writing in. A big happy birthday to Cashton, who just turned 6 on the 2nd of September, and Lunabelle, who is 4 on the 18th of September. I am so glad to hear you've been joining in so much with the yoga clubs, even putting on your costumes to do our costume-themed yoga club. Wow, brilliant news. Well done for doing that. Thanks for tuning in and for finding us. I hope you keep enjoying the yoga, and I'm sending lots and lots of love to all of you. And finally, a big hello to Emery, who is 5 and lives in Sacramento, California. Apparently, Emery has a sister who is a dog. How amazing! Emery loves doing the yoga videos and especially likes the Pokemon video. She suggests we do a yoga adventure about cats and puppies and one with dogs, which is a great idea. I love dogs too, Emery. Thanks so much for writing. Please keep your messages coming to me at yogaclub@cosmickids.com and go try out Cosmic Kids app. You can find it on the App Store or Google Play or app.cosmickids.com. Now it's time to unwind and relax to help you get a lovely sleep. It doesn't matter if you're not sleeping right now, this will work for you whenever you do this. Have fun, and I'll see you in the yoga. The Cosmic Kids Yoga Pose Universe. Crescent Moon pose. Bringing our feet together, our arms up above our head, our hands to touch. Let's lean over one way, making ourselves into the shape of a beautiful crescent moon. Or a banana. Now this pose is brilliant for giving us a big stretch all the way up our sides. It's also great for giving us more space to breathe, better posture and core strength. And it's lovely to do first thing in the morning when we wake up. Let's try it on the other side. Stretching up tall again. Yes, let's lean all the way over the other side, like a beautiful crescent moon. Or a banana. Crescent moon pose. Or a banana. Mouse pose. Coming down to kneel with your big toes to touch, taking your knees nice and wide to make some space. Now fold your body all the way forwards, letting your head rest on the floor, your arms down by your side, and let's have a little squeak, 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 like a little mouse.
Now the thing I love about mouse pose is that it soothes your mind and it lets your whole body feel lovely and relaxed. Let's just stay here for a while and enjoy a little rest. And if you stay here long enough, you may even grow some ears and a tail.
Mouse pose. Cosmic kids in words and pictures, Nama's stories, here we come. Betsy the Banana. Now here is the story of Betsy the Banana. Betsy the Banana was certainly surprised when the butterfly of wishes landed right before her eyes. "Your wish is my command, and of these you shall have 3. A banana making wishes? Now this you've got to see." Betsy thought it over and had one right away. "I wish to be a ballerina. That would really make my day." With a swoosh and a flutter, Betsy's wish came true. She pirouetted across a stage in a wonderful tutu. "Bravo, Betsy," came the cheers from the crowd. Betsy the Banana took a well-deserved bow. A dream come true. That was simply the best. And that was only the start. Whatever could be next? Betsy took a moment as the butterfly stood by. "I know, I've got it. I wish to ride a bike." And so came the flutter with a sprinkling of sparkle. Betsy the Banana was riding a bicycle. "Whee!" Betsy cried as she pedalled in delight. The people on the bus had never seen such a sight. But a hungry bird spots Betsy, and so she makes a dash. She tumbles down the riverbank and lands with an almighty splash. Fortunately for Betsy, wish number 2 was done. It didn't end brilliantly, but it started out quite fun. One more wish to go. So what will it be? The butterfly of wishes awaits patiently. Betsy has an idea. "This one is for my family. I wish for my whole bunch to have a great big party." The butterfly flutters and sprinkles her magic. "A party for us!" The bunch is ecstatic. Together they dance in a room full of balloons, while Betsy DJs playing their favourite tunes. A bounce house and cake. The bunch has a ball. Betsy the Banana has the best time of all. Peace out. Moon and stars. Hello, Jamie here. Welcome to Peace Out. Time to explore the special space in our minds called our imagination. Yes. First, let's get comfy. Choose where you want to be. Lying down or just sit. You decide what feels good and then get settled. This Peace Out is pretty good for listening to if you're lying on a bed. So if you can, try it, lying on a bed. Any last wriggles? Okay, have a good wriggle. Go on. Let's get them done, and we'll be much happier. That's it. Now you're really ready. Keep your eyes open and take some big, deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. In through your nose and out through your mouth. That's it. See if you can take just one more big breath and do this last one as slowly as you can. Breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Wow, you really did make it a slow one. That was amazing. The next time you breathe out, let your eyes softly close. Well done. Let your breathing be normal again. And let's see about making our body super relaxed. Letting go of any holding or scrunching and becoming as soft as a marshmallow. Really squashy and soft. Lovely. Now you're relaxed, you can enjoy letting your mind take you on an amazing adventure. As you listen, the pictures will just appear, like you're having a fun dream. And if you can't see anything in your mind right away, don't worry. Just breathe, relax even more, and keep listening. After a while, you'll find it's all happening without you even having to try. Let's go. Imagine you are lying in your bed. Maybe you really are lying in it. But if you're not, see if you can pretend. It's very comfy and warm snuggled beneath the covers. It's night time and everything is so still. But it's not completely dark. The moon is big and full and bright in the sky. And silver moonlight shines into your bedroom through the window. Magic moonbeams down onto your bed. You are looking at the moon. You can see so much on its surface. Different shades and patches of white and grey. They must be the craters, you think. It doesn't seem so far away right now, as you can see it so clearly. Now you notice the stars too, scattered all around in the night sky. They look like they're twinkling. Little sparkly dots, jiggling ever so slightly. The more you look, the more stars seem to appear. It's like they are being turned on, just for you. The night really is amazing. And tonight you see the dark as something you can enjoy, rather than be afraid of. There are so many stars now. It feels like they are shining just for you. In your mind, you take a big crayon and start to join up the stars, like a giant dot-to-dot puzzle. What shapes do they make? Is it an animal? A unicorn? A house? Or something else maybe. Joining the stars together like this, you are making your own special sparkly star pictures. The night sky feels like it belongs to you, and the moon beams brightly, smiling down at you. You feel so very tired now, and ready to drift off for a good rest. The beautiful starry night sky above you will always be here, even when you can't see it for the clouds. Know that the sparkling stars are always there, and the moon too, beaming down, sometimes full and round, other times only half full, or just a little curve, like a banana. Thinking about the night like this somehow makes sleep time extra special. The night sky is your friend. If it's time to sleep now, then peace out and good night. You can press stop and enjoy your sleep now. If it isn't quite sleep time yet, then take a second now to feel your body again, where you are sitting or lying. Notice where it touches the floor, the bed, or the chair underneath you. Notice the weight of your hands and arms. Can you hear any sounds around you? As you come back to the space around you, take a big deep breath in and sigh out of your mouth. Have a lovely big stretch and nice and gently open your eyes. Take a second just to notice how you feel after that. And be happy that you have given your body and mind this lovely time. Well done you. This is Jamie saying peace out.